Hello everyone, I am Shankha Subra Sanyal and I welcome you all on behalf of S-Cube's classes. Well, I'm really thankful to all of you for your overwhelming response. The amount of love that you have shown through your mails, through your feedbacks, I'm really grateful. I'm really privileged.
Study of the root tip of the onion. In this module, you will learn about tissues present in the root tip. Do you know how plants grow? Well, it is the continuous and active division of cells at the apex of the plant that results in its growth. Let us conduct an activity to study cells and tissues that help a plant to grow by observing the root tip of the onion. To study the growth in the root tip of the onion, you need 2 same-sized onion bulbs, 2 glass tumblers filled with water, and a pair of scissors. Let us now begin the activity. Take 2 tumblers filled with water and mark these tumblers as A and B. Now take 2 onion bulbs of the same size and place one in each tumbler such that only the lower surface of the bulb is in contact with the water. After that, leave both the tumblers undisturbed for 3 to 4 days. Observe the onion bulbs on each day to note the growth of roots. In case of tumbler B, since the roots have not been cut, the root tip continues to grow longer. This root tip is a region of growth. The root tip consists of a tissue called meristematic tissue, whose cells keep dividing and hence results in the growth of roots. While in the case of tumbler A, the root tip was cut, which resulted in the absence of the region of growth. Since meristematic tissue was absent, no cell division took place and hence the growth of roots stopped. From the above activity, it can be concluded that root tip of the onion has specific type of tissue called meristematic tissue, which causes the growth of a plant. In this module you have learnt root tip of the onion has a specific type of tissue called meristematic tissue, which causes the growth of a plant. Meristematic tissue is a group of cells that divides and grows continuously and hence causes a plant to grow.
So this brings us to the end of the lecture. Well, before I sign off, as I always do, I would request you, in case you have any queries, please do feel free to write to me at scubesclasses@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on the numbers given on your screen. It would be a privilege on my part to be addressing your queries. Thank you so much.